What do I need to start a cremation business? That's a fantastic question, and one we often hear from funeral home owners considering adding cremation services. At FT North America, we know that starting a cremation business, whether for human services or expanding into pet cremation, requires careful planning, the right cremation systems, and a trusted partner to guide you through the process. First, let's talk about what's needed conceptually. The foundation of your cremation business will revolve around selecting the right cremation retort, sometimes called a cremation chamber. Choosing equipment that meets your business's anticipated volume, energy, efficiency goals, and operational flow is critical. At FT North America, we specialize in state-of-the-art cremation equipment designed to be reliable, environmentally compliant, and easy to maintain. Beyond the equipment itself, starting the journey involves understanding the infrastructure. For instance, considerations like space requirements, proper ventilation, ensuring compliance with local zoning and environmental regulations are key. Modern cremation machines and incinerators must meet stringent emission standards, and our team is here to help you navigate those details from start to finish. Then there's the human element. Operating a cremation system requires staff training, a thoughtful workflow, and processes to ensure families feel confident in the care you provide. We provide insights on setting up systems for the tracking and identification of remains, maintaining transparency, and creating a smooth, dignified process for families. This level of professionalism is what sets businesses apart in the growing cremation market. For those exploring how to start a pet cremation business alongside human cremation services, the concepts are similar, but the equipment and workflow will differ slightly. Offering this service can be a meaningful addition to your business and a powerful way to meet community needs. At FT North America, we don't just provide cremation equipment, we're your strategic partner. We offer guidance on choosing the right systems, ensuring your facility is prepared, and supporting your business growth as cremation services becomes a core part of your offerings. Starting a cremation business is an exciting step, and we're here to help you get it right, efficiently, ethically, and sustainably. If you're ready to take the next step, let's connect. We'll walk you through the process, answer your questions, and help you build a cremation business that serves your community and strengthens your funeral home for the future.